What if the future of medicine isn't just better, but fundamentally different? Today, most medical research relies on classical computing, powerful, but limited when dealing with the complexity of biology. From drug discovery to diagnostics, classical systems process step by step, but biology doesn't work step by step. It operates as a vast, interconnected system. In classical medicine, researchers simulate biological processes using approximations. Proteins fold, molecules bind, and cells communicate through interactions that quickly become too complex to model precisely. As systems grow, the required computations increase exponentially, forcing scientists to simplify reality. This is why drug development often involves trial and error, with many failures along the way. Clinical trials are long, expensive, and uncertain. Even advanced AI models running on classical hardware are limited by the data they can process and the assumptions they must make. While these tools have brought significant progress, they still struggle to capture the full complexity of the human body. Precision remains limited. Quantum medicine approaches this challenge differently. Instead of approximating biological systems, quantum computers can simulate them more naturally at the atomic level. By leveraging superposition and entanglement, quantum systems can evaluate multiple molecular interactions simultaneously. This makes it possible to model protein folding, enzyme behavior, and drug binding with far greater accuracy. For example, instead of testing thousands of compounds sequentially, quantum simulations could identify the most promising candidates almost instantly. This shifts the process from trial and error to prediction-driven discovery. As a result, treatments could be developed faster, with higher success rates and fewer unexpected outcomes. Additionally, this approach enables researchers to understand mechanisms of diseases at a deeper level, leading to more targeted therapeutic strategies. The difference is even more powerful in personalized medicine. Classical approaches rely on population data, averages across thousands of patients. But every individual is biologically unique. Quantum systems could simulate how a specific patient's body responds to a drug, considering genetic, molecular, and environmental factors all at once. This could lead to truly personalized treatments, optimized for each individual rather than the average patient. In areas like cancer therapy, where precision is critical, this level of modeling could dramatically improve outcomes. However, quantum medicine is still emerging, and challenges such as hardware stability and scalability must be overcome before it becomes widely available. This could mark the beginning of truly individualized healthcare. Over time, treatments could be refined based on each patient's evolving data. Classical medicine has brought us far, but quantum medicine could take us further. It represents not just an improvement, but a transformation in how we understand and treat disease. In the future, the boundary between biology and computation may disappear, unlocking a new era of precision healthcare, a future where treatments are designed with unprecedented accuracy and efficiency.